Okay, good morning student. Ninth B division algebra 1.1 some definition empty set finite set infinite set that we have completed. Now continue with 1.2. Who is this white tiger? Remove. 100 times I have sent the message that write proper name, proper DP. Now someone is sharing the screen. Very good. Dipti, remove that. Who is doing this? No. Okay. Decide the from the following set which are set and justify your answer. So in first A is given x 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. This will jump here. 2 plus 1. So 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 3. So x is equal to 1. So A means from rule method to roster method. Which are the elements that you have to write? B. X is a natural number, but X is neither prime nor a composite. A natural number neither prime or not a composite. So that you have to identify. Composite also is not there, natural is also not there, so you have to write it is empty set. C. X belongs to natural number, but x is less than 2. Natural number but less than 2, that is only single 1. Like that. Now we have to decide both are equal set or not. When the number of elements are same, when elements are also same. Suppose here ABC, suppose here 1 2 3. So 3 elements are there, but it is not equal. So each elements are same, number of elements are same, then it is said to be equal. So second question, A is even prime. There is only one even prime, which 2. And now B they have given x and x belong to 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Okay, so 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Minus 1 comes this side. Divide by 7. So B is equal to only 2. A is equal to only 2. So A and B are equal set. When you can say it is equal set? When elements are same, number of elements are also same. Which of the following are empty? Who is making mic on, video on, sharing? Dipti Bistrik, remove that student and mark their name, and at the end I want all the screenshot of message and attendance. Which of the following are empty? A is a natural number. Natural number and less than 0. 0 itself it is not a natural, and they want less than 0 but natural. Less than 0 natural, not possible. So A will be empty. You can write this, or you can write, what is the meaning of that symbol? 0 itself a one element, so not a 0. So 0 cancel, even not a 0, so it is empty. Second one, it is given b x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0, taking both the sides square root. X is equal to 0. So 0 itself it is one element, so it is not an empty. It is empty. Now see, x 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, but x belongs to natural number. Let's see it is coming or not. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 to this side. So 5x is equal to 2. 5 down, division. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 0.4. 0.4 is not a natural number. 0.4 is not natural number. So C part is empty. Nothing will come inside. Or C is equal to empty. Empty, not empty, empty. Again, what is the meaning of empty? If inside the bracket or the set, no elements, even 0, not a single element are present, empty set. 0 itself, one element is present, it is not empty. So 0 itself, it is a one element. So even it is not a 0. 0 cancel. Finite, infinite. There are 7 sets given. We have to classify finite and infinite. Correct? So, please call me. Dhananjay, don't call. Now, we have to see for first question, equal or not. Then these two are equal or not. Then this, which are empty or not. Third number. And now fourth, finite or infinite. This 1 1 1 it is, we have to write, no? A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. All are singular 1 1 1. This is the final answer of first, this is of second, of third. When there is nothing, empty. When there is something, not empty. Arey, don't call on my number because it is connected with computer. Don't call. No. Many times I have sent the message and still they are doing same to same. And two forms I have given to fill. Only 50% student have filled. And I have asked to send the WhatsApp number, that they are also not sending. I have sent the link for school record, that they are not sending. Only 50% students, see around 36 are there. No, I got the response of 48 students in both Google form of my personal and Google form of school. So this 9th B, no, very laziest in full school, St. Lawrence. They knows all the things. First see, know what you are writing, what you are putting as a DP. Disturbing, they are just disturbing, that's it. They don't want to study, they want to enjoy in this group and doing misbehavior. We have to write finite, infinite, limited, countable numbers, elements are there, countable or limited, means it is finite. Not countable, so many numbers, but not counted. Not countable, it is infinite. Only natural number. Abhijit, don't speak anything and remove your DP. So the numbers which are countable, these are finite, which are not countable, unlimited, infinite. So this small question they will ask from each and every topic. So be careful where you have to write. For example, natural number. What will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this. Unlimited, infinite. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this, infinite. Integers, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, this. So like that, when it is limited, finite, unlimited, infinite. Now x belong to who is this king? Remove. Now first a is equal to x is less than 10 and x belong to natural number. Less than 10 and natural number. Less than 10 but natural number. So x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10. So a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So finite. Second, they are given b y is less than -1, y is integers, correct? So y less than -1, so -2, -3, -4, dash. So one side it is infinite, less than -1 all value, -2, -3, dash. So b, this side also you can write -2, -3, -4, dash, not countable, infinite number. So C is a set of class 9 from your school. Class of 9 of 9th standard student. How many division are there? Total number of student you can count. So it is finite. Number of student, how many? Whether it is 50, 500, 5000, but you can count the number of student in 9th standard. That is what is finite. Fourth, set of people from your village, countable, not countable. Set of people in your village, countable. Countable means finite. Set of apparatus in laboratory. Set of apparatus in your laboratory. In laboratory, how many things are there? We can count. So it is finite. Set of wall number W. So W is equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 and positive number. You have to remove. 0 to positive number, both you have to include. So it is infinite. Set of rational number. Set of rational number also it is not countable. Both the side it is many rational number. So that is also infinite. Set of rational number. So infinite. Infinite. Finite. Infinite. So again I want to यहाँ तो बराबर है बच्चा. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा. यू वेट 1 minute. ऑटोमेटिकली द फ्रीक्वेंसी विल एक्सेप्ट. हो जाएगा. Now next topic is Venn diagram. Till now what we have written as a set, that into the bracket. Now the same thing we have to write in Venn diagram. See what is the difference. Suppose A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is X, Y, Z, W. Both are the set. Both contain some elements. Now these are the list form. Now this we want to convert into Venn diagram. What is the meaning of Venn diagram? It should be the closed geometry diagram. Segment is not closed, ray is not closed, line is not closed, angle is also not closed. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle, these are closed. Means boundary is closed. So you can draw any shape. For A I will draw round. For B group I will make triangle. Draw any closed diagram. So triangle, circle, square, rectangle, generally we are using that. So A I have written here, B I have written here, so here we can write. Now here 5 elements. So that you can show. First you have to take 5 dot. Anyway. First you have to take 4 dot. Anyway. Dot is very important. Without that you can't show. Now the 1 dot is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is X, Y, Z, W. So this is your Venn diagram. Omkar, Dipti, remove Omkar. Dipti, remove Omkar fast. Here I am teaching, you are sharing. Okay, now next topic. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In now different set I am writing. P is equal to 1, 2, 3. Q is equal to 5, 6, 7. R is equal to 2, 4, 6. S is equal to 0, 8, 1, 2. T is equal to 8, 6, 7. Now, subset. What is the meaning of subset? I have to ask that P is a subset of A or not? Means P is a part of A or not? So all the elements, 1 is present, yes, 2 is present, yes, 3 is present, yes. If all the elements of P are in A, so P is a subset of A. Now Q. 5 is there? Yes. 6 is there? Yes. 7 is there? Yes. All elements are present in A. So Q is a subset of B. A. Sorry. Now for R we are asking. 2 is there? Yes. 4 is there? Yes. 6 is there? Yes. All elements are present in A. How to read? P is a subset of A. Q is a subset of A. R is a subset of A. Means all elements of P are present in A. All elements of Q are present in A. All elements of R are present in A. Now S and T. S 0 is not there. Even a single 8 is also not there. 1 is there, 2 is there. But single element is not there. Not a subset. Simple. Each and every element should be present. 7 present, 6 present, but 8 not present in this. That is why it is not a subset. If it is subset, C and line. If it is not subset, C and line, not subset. How? When we are writing x is equal to 7, but x is not equal to 5. Equal, cancel, not equal. Subset, cancel, not subset. Follow this. You know, in between students are doing something. I can't understand that. Means your concentration is not on maths. Somewhere else. You are enjoying. And from DP, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. माँ बाप की फोटो रखो, भगवान की फोटो रखो. ये जंगली बॉय की फालतू फिल्मी स्टार की क्या रखते हो? क्या दिख जाते हो आपको? Why you are attract towards them? What they are giving? They are giving knowledge, money, wealth, health, anything they are giving. Put parents' photograph. No, they provide you all the things. They fulfill your all demands. And during maths you will do this. No, it proves that your concentration is 0. When you want to become great in any field, your concentration should be more than 100%. More than 100% means what? You should involve in that work. Means the level will come that you will forget your hungriness, your thirstiness, your tiredness. You will continue work on this. This is my 1035th batch, but till now, every day I am doing maths practice to search something new, to find something new. Then only from the YouTube, teachers from the America also told me. So, in any field, suppose you want to Bapu, so you have to do something extraordinary work. And with this, only this batch is giving trouble. 10 standard, 8 standard, they are very peacefully learning, and that people are only coming, those who are interested. But here, another person are coming that who are not interested. Okay, two set. We are comparing, it is a set and subset. So set, these are small parts. So small part is a part of the big part or not. Then it is a subset. That same we can do in Venn diagram. So A is what? A is what? 1. Gaurav, what you want to say? Hi, hello, you are doing. A is 1 to 7. Now, one to three. So you can draw this one more. So that is P. So P is a full part of A. Don't send message. P is a part of A. So like that it is included, excluded. So I have shown like this, symbolic. It is a subset. Now in Venn diagram, how to show it is a subset? It is a subset. When 1 to 3 also included in full 1 to 7. So P is a subset of A, like that. Bhavesh More, what you are sending, Pagal? When I am telling, don't send the message, you are sending. Wait. No, it's clear from here, full frequency of the network. Wait and watch, it will clear within very short time period. Now, from this, I will remove these which are not subset. I will remove this which are not subset. Now, small group are a part of very one big group. This is a part of this, this is a part of this, this is a part of this. When small group are the part of big group, then that group is said to be universal, because this is a part of this, this is a part of this, this is a part of this. So it is universal set. Follow? So now on next level, wait. Because of your network, that is no, because from here my frequency is 100%. Say. No. See the time, only 10 minutes remain. They are coming only for the attendance. At the end, send me the screenshot of message in attendance. First, A, that is A, B, C, D, E. B, C, D, E, F. C, B, D, D, and dear student, please find out your friends from 9th B, because there are many students who are not reachable, not in contact, not in group, not in study, not in the filling the form and giving the information in the school. So they are totally out of the range. So try to contact and tell them about these two group online and to fill the school information form. And those who have not sent the mobile number, send me today only, because today I have to submit and finalize all the group. Okay, now there are the question. C is a subset of B or not? A is a subset of D or not? Whose mic is on? D is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. C is a subset of A. Now check. C into B. B is there? No. C and B. C and B. C is in D. B is not there. So C is not a subset of. All element of C is not in the B. Now A into D. A into D. D is small. A is big. How A is into D? No. D is into B. D in B. A is not there. E is there. No. D into A. A and E. A and E. D into A. Possible. B into A. B into A. C is there. D is there. E is there. F is not there. C into A. B and D. B and D is there. This is in this. Follow? So they have given the pair. Find out it is a subset or not. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So you have to check left side. Left side element are present in right side. For example, again, D are present in A. D are present in A. A is present. E is present. So yes. Now D are present in B. D are present in B. A is not there. Simple. If a single element is not matching, cancel. For example, उल्टा पुल्टा भी हो सकता है. It is 1, 2, 3 and B is 2, 3. So I can say B is a subset of A because B are in A. They will ask A subset of B. So all A are not in B. So from left side, all the element of left side are present in right side. Then only yes. Otherwise, no. Take the set of natural number from 1 to 20 as a universal set. And x and y are using Venn diagram we have to show. Very interesting question. It's a long question. I will complete that. So student, read my each and every message every day because lots of instruction and information are coming from the school. Universal set U, that is 1 to 20. And now we have to find out x. X is what? X is belong to natural number. And 7 less than x less than 15. So x in between 7 to 15. In between 7 to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 is not there. 7 is not there. Remember. This we will show in this Venn diagram. Now y is what? Now y, it is belong to natural number and y is a prime. prime from 1 to 20. So find out prime number. Prime number means what? The number which is divisible by itself and 1. That is a prime number. So 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are only the prime number. Now we have to show the universal set. Show the set X and Y using the Venn diagram. Some are in X also, some are in Y also. So how to draw diagram very intelligently. This is universal. This is X, this is Y, which are coming common. 11 is common, 13 is common, that much is common. So this 11, this 13. Now try to complete X. 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 12, 14. So this is X. Now Y. These two K. So 2, 3. Dot is compulsory. 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. In X, in Y, in both. Now which are remain, that is in A. 1 is not there, so 1. 2 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, 6 is not there, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is not there, 16 is not there, 17, 18 is not there, 19. So U contain all 1 to 20. X contain this much, Y contain this much, and this is overlapping, means that are in X also, that are in Y also, and out that is not in X, not in Y, not in common, out. So overall 1 to 20, then these are in X, these are in Y. Like that you have to show the Venn diagram. Students, again I am giving you the instruction that I want your proper name, roll number, division, and during the lecture don't call me because it causes a network problem. So